Hi, everybody. I am Michel Gerbaldi reporting on Astrolab in 2021. Astrolab is an inquiry-based lab activity with the aim to develop the understanding of scientific methods. The students learn to plan and to perform observations with robotic telescopes. They learn to transform these observations into a scientific result. There is no cost, provided there is free access to remote or robotic telescopes, which is the case if we are a Global Sky partner, a program of Las Cumbres Observatory, but this does not discard any other possibility. It is a STEM activity as the students apply knowledge and skills from these areas and learn new ones. They combine it with soft skills, teamwork, setting goals, planning and reporting. They report on their scientific experiment and develop critical thinking. Astrolab is developed at the undergraduate level. It can be part of an elective or compulsory course or a workshop, or be a practical work for a BSc diploma. It can be upgraded to master level. The students have an active role in doing Astrolab. To doing this, the training of the tutor is a key point. During the training, the tutor is going through all the steps of Astrolab that will be done by the students. Teachers, lecturers, assistant professors from Africa, Asia, and South America have been trained in 2021 in video conference mode, and for most of them, it was a one-to-one training. 13 tutors follow the training, most for a refreshment course, and some trainings for new tutors, preparing them for their courses, for a total of 200 hours of training, which is exceptional due to the COVID. In 2021, Astrolab was taught at the University of Pretoria in South Africa, at the Technical University of Kenya, at the University in Anambra State in Nigeria, at the Copperbelt University in Zambia, at the Pontificia Universidad Católica University in Lima, and at the Escuela Politécnica Nacional in Quito in Ecuador. No workshop or training was organized in person this year due to the pandemic. The main change observed and measured can be summarized as follows. The students have a better understanding of the complexity and ambiguity of empirical work and are developing critical thinking when defending their results. Allowing students to conduct live observations themselves clearly enhances their enthusiasm to execute their project and hence to deepen their learning of astrophysics. Manuals are available describing all the steps to implement and develop Astrolab, to carry out observations, to reduce and analyze the data. It starts with necessary basic astrophysics. In 2022, the setting up of a basic website for these manuals in several languages will be done. A reminder, the goal of Astrolab is a stimulating practical science experiments, not a course in astronomy astrophysics. However, it can serve as a basis to develop a course on observational astronomy. There are two challenges: an autonomous life for Astrolab, to be driven by or in liaison with the OED regional offices. But the crucial point for Astrolab is to have access to LCO telescope time, to use the 40 centimeter telescopes needed for both the training and for the ongoing teaching. It is obtained from a yearly application to become a Global Sky partner. How to have a continuous support from LCO over a few years, discussion between LCO and OED and IU are strongly requested. Thank you for your attention.